Welcome to the LUNDA-NDEMBU online school. The LUNDA-NDEMBU language is spoken in the following Southern African countries: Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Zambia. Shikenu mwani shikola yetu ye dimi de LUNDA-NDEMBU. Idi dimi da hoshe wanga mu Afrika matunga au kabeta kakujilu awa. Angola, Democratic Republic ya Congo ni Zambia. We teach how to write, read, and speak the LUNDA-NDEMBU language. Twadizi sana kusoneka, kutanga, kuosha idimi the LUNDA-NDEMBU. Today, we will be discussing lesson number 38, and it's about how to use verbs. Lelo, indizilu yetu, indizilu ya makumi asatu, na indizilu jitanu na jisatu. First word we'll be looking at is born. Ela netu semuka, ela kuvalika, valika. To be born. Kusemuka. For example, my son was born on Saturday. Mwanami weyala wasemukili hefuku damposu. Mwanami weyala wasemukili hefuku damposu. Chimovu's ancestors and mine were born in the same family. Ankakulula ja Chimovu na wankakulula jami asemwankana. Ankakulula ja Chimovu na wankakulula jami asemwankana. I was born in Mwinilunga town. Ami na valikili mumukala weneni wa Mwinilunga. Ami na valikili mumukala weneni wa Mwinilunga. Hold baby in arms. Akata. To hold baby. Kwakata. Here's an example. Kavuyi is holding a baby in her arms. Kavuyi nakati mukeki. Kavuyi knows how to hold a baby in her arms. Kavuyi weluka kwakata mukeki. I saw babies being held in their mother's arms. Namona anyikeki anayakati kudi amama jawu. Namona anyikeki anayakati kudi amama jawu. The last word in this lesson is plant or sow. Tumba, to sow. Kutumba. I learned how to sow seed when I was a younger man. Ami na dizili kutumba mbutu henohu nidi insanda. Although Kawatu is an old person, he does not know how to sow seed. Hela Kawatu hipalada muntu ilanga heluka kutumba mbutuko. Hela Kawatu hipalada muntu ilanga heluka kutumba mbutuko. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share the video with friends and family, and then subscribe to this channel, not forgetting to click the notification bell.